Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Snickerdoodles. These fluffy cinnamon cookies will fragrance your whole house. Give it a try and see for yourself. These are all the ingredients we need for the cookies. Baking powder and baking soda, normal caster sugar and Demerera sugar, flour, butter, cinnamon and an egg. We need the help of our hand or stand mixer, so in the bowl add the butter and the sugar. Now cream the butter and sugar together and try not to make a mess like I did and let the butter fly everywhere. Now that the butter is creamy, I'll clean up the mess and afterwards add in one egg. Mix until it's incorporated. Add in a pinch of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And it's mixing time again. Now that we're done with the wet ingredients, we're focusing on the dry ones. So add the baking powder and the baking soda to the flour and mix them in. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixer and fold it with a spoon before going in with your hand mixer. I'm not ready for a lot of snow in my kitchen. When it's come together a bit, go in with your hand mixer and give it a couple of beats until the mixture clumps together. Do the last part by hand and wrap it in some kitchen foil to chill and harden in the fridge. You can leave it in for up to 2 days. My dog was enjoying his nappy time as usual. In a smaller bowl, mix the cinnamon with the caster sugar. We're using this to dip our cookies in. When the dough is cooled, roll a little ball from it between your hands. Roll the ball in the sugar and cinnamon mixture until it's fully covered. And put it on a baking sheet aligned with parchment paper. Make sure to put the cookies apart because they will spread. I like to chill the whole tray of cookies for 10 minutes before baking them so they won't spread as much. Bake these in a 200 degrees Celsius oven for 8 to 13 minutes. I baked mine for 11 minutes, but every oven is different, so keep an eye on them for yourself. Remove them from the oven and let them cool for a couple of minutes on a cooking tray before transferring them to a cooling rack. And that's all there is to do. Let's see the texture of the cookies. As you can see, they are nice and fluffy. Not crispy at all, but very moist and bouncy. Enjoy them! And that's it! Alright, I'm not gonna lie, the first time I heard about this recipe I really thought that there were some Snicker bars in it or something. But when I found out they were basically cinnamon cookies, I had to give it a try and I absolutely loved them. So that's why I created this recipe for you guys. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.